Is your outfit a little too much, a little too over the top, or is it a little blah, a little boring? How do you know? How do you know for sure? Today I'm going to break down a simple system that will help you identify when your outfits are working and how to tweak them. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Netta. I'm a personal stylist. Everything I do is designed to help you get your best wardrobe. I want you to look beautiful and feel confident and stylish every single day. So I have a lot of resources, both new and existing, that are coming up for you guys to help you just reach those goals, because again, I really think feeling stylish and confident every day is a goal we should all have. And so a couple of those include my Modern Classics wardrobe guide for warm weather, which is currently being updated for fall winter. I also have, every other week, I have a masterclass series going on through summer, and we're really focusing on outfits for this masterclass series. And this video is a result of one of my masterclasses. So if you want like a deep dive into the concept I'm teaching in today's video, comment with the word outfits in the comments below wherever you're watching this, and I will make sure you get the link for the replay. Okay, so let's get started. This is an idea that I did not come up with. It has been around a long time, but it has evolved as style has evolved. So originally the style point system came around like in the 70s, and it was called the 16-point style system. So the idea then was that every outfit should have 16 points, and different items were assigned different points. And based on the number of points, you could decide whether your outfit was complete, whether it was polished, whether it was pulled together enough. Now, obviously styles change, but we also want to simplify things as time goes on. And so the current iteration, the current version of this style system that's been going around is like 7 to 9 point style system. And we've really simplified it so that this is something that you can use in your daily life for a quick, just once over assessment in the mirror to really determine whether your outfit is working. It really is simple and super effective, and I'm going to break it down for you in the simplest terms possible. So the way that this style point system works is that basic, staple, essential, simple, solid, neutral pieces are generally assigned 1 point. Statement pieces are assigned 2 points. So 1 point for simple, basic essentials, 2 points for statement, interesting, detail, texture, pattern, color, scale, etc. So I'm going to give you some examples of statement pieces and simple pieces. So simple pieces include a simple pair of jeans, nothing on them, no embellishments, just simple basic pair of jeans. That's a 1 point piece. A white t-shirt, 1 point. A simple solid sweater, 1 point. A simple basic dress without any real statement details to it gets 1 point. A simple blouse, solid color, neutral color, gets 1 point. Now, let's look at some 2 point pieces. For 2 points, you're going to go with anything that's got a bold color. So a top, even if it's a simple style, but it's got a bold color, that's going to give it 2 points. A dress, even if it's a simple style, but it has a pattern on it, that's going to give it 2 points. A pair of pants that are voluminous, have a very interesting like scale, like they're oversized, that's going to be a 2 point pair of pants. Now, scale, pattern, color, those are all ways that we're going to add that are going to take items from being simple pieces to making them statement pieces. Now, other types of statement pieces include things that have texture on them, things that are less than basic. So for example, a very simple basic pair of black flats is a 1 pointer. A pair of black Mary Jane flats, it's a little bit more of a statement piece, that's a 2 pointer. Other things that are 2 points include things like jackets that are optional. In other words, completer pieces for outfits. Not a coat that you've got to wear because it's cold and it's still a basic coat. That doesn't really count as a 2 pointer. But a jacket that you're wearing to add style to an outfit, that's a 2 point jacket. Belts are also 2 points because belts are, unless they really disappear into your pants, belts are really optional for most outfits. So anything you add on top of the outfit for the most part is going to be 2 points. Okay, let's talk about jewelry when it comes to points. Now, jewelry that you can see easily, like these earrings, is going to be 2 points. Jewelry that's very subtle, very simple, very delicate, a very, very thin ring, a very dainty bracelet, a very dainty, like delicate necklace, those are going to be 1 point pieces. So 2 2 points for statement jewelry, 1 point for subtle, simple pieces. Now, I have a lot of hair. If earrings show through my hair, those are 2 point earrings. If earrings are kind of just buried in my hair, those are 1 point earrings. So just to kind of break down for you, and really there's a lot of flexibility in this because a statement for you might be simple for someone else. But in general, statement pieces have pattern, scale, texture, color, or detail. Those are the 5 things that are going to make something more of a statement. If it's solid, if it's simple, if it's neutral, if it's unembellished, then it's going to be a simple piece. So using this framework, 1 point for simple pieces, 2 points for statement pieces, makes it very easy to evaluate your outfits and really break down where you fall in terms of points for any given outfit. So I will make a couple of little quick caveats here. The first is that in the summer, you're going to have fewer points than in the winter. I'm going to pop up an outfit here. This is an outfit from Farm Rio. This is a very statement dress and very statement shoes. But because you're only looking at 2 pieces, you've got a 4-point outfit. Now the goal is for your outfits to be 7 to 9 points. This is only a 4-point outfit, but this outfit is complete. Now most of us are probably going to add a pair of earrings and a bag, in which case we will easily bring it up to make it a 6-point outfit. Now the goal is 7 to 9 points, but again, that's a rough goal, and this is something you can play with. You might find that you're always hitting that sweet spot of 7 to 9 points. You may find that you're a 12-point outfit person. You may find that yours are on the lower end, like 5 to 6 points, but it gives you a way to measure your outfits. Now again, I feel like this outfit is complete, but I would definitely add a pair of earrings, and of course you're going to have a bag. You may not be holding the bag the whole time, so if you're not holding the bag the whole time, should that bag count in terms of points? Probably not. But keep in mind that any of the details that you add to the end of the outfit is really going to amp up and bump up that number of points. So in the summertime, we have fewer layers, we have fewer pieces, we're wearing less clothing, and so our points are by just practicality, they're going to be lower. Now in the winter, you're going to end up with a lot more points because you're going to have a lot more going on in your outfits. Okay, the second thing I want to say is that a lot of whether you choose to have higher points in your outfits or lower points in your outfits is going to come down to personal style. So if you're a minimalist, I'm going to pop up a minimalist 3-point outfit here, then you're going to have fewer points in your outfits all the time. Now, I would say if you're right in this zone and you're at the 3-point mark, you may really want to consider adding a couple of accessories. They can be minimal and still cool and still match your aesthetic to bump this outfit up to a little bit more like 5 to 6 points. I feel like this is just a little too simple. Now, if you tend to go in the opposite direction, you pile on the accessories, then you may want to use the point system to ask yourself if you're using your accessories with intentionality or you're just throwing all of the things that match on at one time. I'm going to pop up an example here. This one is from Boston Proper. This is a 14-point outfit. She's got a statement necklace with a statement top and statement pants and like statement shoes, a statement bag, statement earrings, statement everything. Right? And so there isn't a place for the eye to rest in this outfit, and the outfit looks over the top in a way that is not modern. Now, I will say that statements are back at long last. Statement accessories, statement shoes, statement jewelry is definitely back. But there's a way to wear it where it looks modern, and there's a way to wear it where it looks dated. And in my opinion, this outfit is over the top and definitely looks a little bit dated. So just recognize that your personal style, your style personality is really going to play a role in how many points you feel really represents your personal style. Okay, one of the easiest ways to take your outfits from basic to stylish is through accessories. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to bump up the number of points in an outfit and really add personality, add style. So we're going to start with the most basic of basic outfits. A white t-shirt, jeans, and white sneakers. Very basic, very vanilla, very boring, right? And this can be stylish depending on the shirt, the jeans, and the shoes, but this particular version of this outfit is pretty simple. I picked a very simple pair of jeans, simple shirt, simple shoes. Now, you're looking at this outfit, you're like, everything fits great, everything's modern, everything's flattering, but I'm lacking some personality. First thing you can do is to add a jacket. So I'm adding this beautiful green jacket to this outfit. Now, when you add this jacket, all of a sudden, you go from a 3-point outfit to a 5-point outfit, just with the addition of a jacket. The jacket is, not only is it a non-essential layer, which is automatically going to give it 2 points, but it's also a bold color, which really is going to like help tie these pieces together and create a cohesive look. So now all of a sudden you're bumped up to 5 points. Now maybe you're like, you know, because I added this jacket, I really want to bump up the shoes a little bit, make them a little bit more stylish. So you switch out your sneakers for a pair of leopard Mary Janes. So now you've just added another 2 points to this outfit. So instead of a 3-point outfit, you've got the 2 points for the top and you know, for the shirt and the jeans. You've got the 2 points for the jacket, and then you've got the 2 points for the shoes. So now you've got a 6-point outfit. You started out with a 3-point outfit, now you have a 6-point outfit. So the leopard and the color of the jacket really do a lot to amp up this outfit, and honestly add more than the 6 points would have you think. So this could be where you stop and you can say, you know, I love this the way it is. This is my sweet spot. This is my comfort zone. I feel stylish and pulled together, but also like the outfit is balanced and not over the top. Or you could decide to take it a step further, and then you could add a pair of earrings. So these earrings are fun and colorful and bold and will definitely show up. So these are 2-point earrings for sure. So adding these earrings would bump the outfit up to 8 points. So that's a little illustration of how you can easily take your outfits from you know, 2 to 3-point outfits, like one point each piece that you're wearing, shoes, a top, and bottom, to 6 points, 8 points, 10 points. You can just keep going, right? You can just keep going. And a lot of that is going to have to do with your personal style and your preferences. Okay, I'm going to show you some outfits that I found on websites, you know, some of the stores, some of the brands that we shop at, and we're going to evaluate the points of these outfits together. Okay, so this first outfit is, I believe this one is from J. Crew, I'm not positive, but this is a 6-point outfit. Now, it's got a very simple pair of shoes. That's 1 point. It's got a simple pair of pants, 1 point. It's got a striped shirt, so that's more of a statement. That's 2 points. And then it's got a jacket that's a non-essential layering piece. It's like a jacket that's there for style, not for warmth. So that is a 6-point outfit. So you can kind of see and really decide, like, do you like the 6-point outfits? Do you like the 8-point outfits? Do you like the 14-point outfits? Like, this is a personal style decision. This next outfit is on the higher end. This is a 13-point outfit. So it features a top, which I assigned this top 2 points because I feel like this top has enough going on to make it a 2-point top. The pants, definitely 2 points. The shoes, 2 points. The bag, 2 points. The jacket that she's draped over the bag and giving another 2 points because that's a non-essential layer and it's also adding like a little element of style there. The earrings are 2 points, and then the glasses are 1 point, giving that outfit a total of 13 points. This is an Anthropologie look. So I'm going to say that some aesthetics are going to lean more heavily towards accessories and are going to have a lot more points, and some, you know, style personalities are going to have fewer points. Definitely a boho or creative or artistic style personality is going to have more points. Now this next outfit looks like it's got more going on than it does, but it's really just a 6-point outfit. So it includes a very delicate ring, very delicate necklace, and very delicate earrings. So no, a very delicate bracelet. Sorry, ring, necklace, and bracelet. I gave them each 1 point. The shirt is 2 points, so that's 5 points. The jeans are 1 point, that's 6 points, and then the boots are 2 points. Actually, so that's an 8-point outfit. So 8 points for this outfit. The jewelry is very, very delicate, so I only gave them 1 point each. And so you can see that this outfit is really hitting that sweet spot between 7 to 9 points. Okay, next outfit. This outfit features a statement top, 2 points, statement shoe, 2 points, and statement pants, because the pants are wide and also have a little interesting texture on them. So those are 2 points. So that's a 6-point outfit. But again, like most of us would add a pair of earrings, that would be an 8-point outfit. This next outfit is another 8-point outfit. This is a striped shirt, 2 points. Very simple pants, 1 point. Shoe, 1 point. The bag is 2 points, and the earrings are 2 points. So that brings the total of this outfit to 8 points. Right there, perfectly in that sweet spot. This next outfit is an 8-point outfit for a minimalist. So just to show you that minimalist doesn't have to be as basic as the 3-point outfit that I showed you. You can have a minimalist outfit that is every bit as stylish or as impactful as a higher point outfit, or an outfit for someone of more statement style. So this is a minimalist outfit that I think is fabulous. This dress gets 2 points because of its shape, its cool structure, and its cool shape. So that's a 2-point dress. The sunglasses get 2 points, the shoes get 2 points, and the earrings get 2 points, bringing this total up to 8 points. So minimalist, but still falling in that 7 to 9 point range. Okay, this next outfit is a 10-point outfit. This is a pair of kind of chunky raffia slide sandals, a raffia bag, a dress, and a pair of sunglasses, and some cool bracelets. So 2 points for each of those items. 2 points for the sunglasses, 2 points for the dress, 2 points for the shoes, 2 points for the bag, 2 points for the bracelets. Here is another outfit where it looks like it should be more points than it is, but it's a summer version. So it only ends up being 6 points. So this outfit features a statement earring, statement dress, and statement shoes. So it's a 6-point outfit, but it's a very impactful 6-point outfit. Okay, this next outfit is, it looks very basic, but then you see that really there's a little bit more going on than you first think. Black shorts and a black tank. So each of those clothing pieces is going to be 1 point each. So 2 points for the clothes, 2 points for the bag, 2 points for the Mary Janes, 2 points for the ring. She's got a really cool ring, and 2 points for the earrings. She's wearing statement accessories with very simple pieces. And this is a very easy outfit formula. Basic tank, basic shorts, cool accessories. Brings this outfit up to 10 points. Okay, this next outfit, 8 points. So she's got 2 points for the dress, cool striped dress there, 2 points for the cute bag, 2 points for the shoes, and 2 points for the bracelet. Easy 8 points. This is a formula that I wear pretty much 95% of the time in the summer. So you really can, with just the addition of a single cool jewelry piece, take the 4 to 6 point outfits up to 8 points. Okay, this next outfit is a 4-point outfit, similar to the 4-point outfit I showed earlier, that really does have a lot of impact. The dress has 2 points, the shoes have 2 points, there's nothing else going on. It's a 4-point outfit, but it is a statement 4-point outfit. This last outfit is very simple, very neutral, but it has some interesting elevated details. So the top, very simple, 1 point. The pants have a little bit of volume, a little interest, a little pleating and detail. I'm gonna give those 2 points, so that's 3 points for the outfit. 1 point for the shoes, that's gonna be 4 points. Then we've got a textured bag, which is gonna get another 2 points, so that's gonna be 6 points. And then the belt is a non-essential accessory that doesn't really need to be in that outfit, and even though it's subtle, I'm gonna give it another 2 points. We're gonna have an 8-point total outfit. So simple and minimal, but still not boring, not flat, still a beautiful, stylish, and interesting outfit. So that's it. That is the style scorecard. I wanted to just kind of give you a breakdown of this. And if you want more on this concept and you want me to teach more about this in future videos, let me know. If you want more examples, if you want us to cover this again when it gets to like fall winter style and what that's going to look like for fall winter, and if you want to know more about how your beauty choices impact your overall style, let me know in the comments. Just comment style scorecard, and I will do a part 2, part 3, part 5, whatever it takes for you to really start using the system in your everyday life. Again, if you really look at it relative to your style, your wardrobe, the pieces in your closet, assigning 1 point to the simple pieces and 2 points to the statement pieces, and trying to hit that 7 to 9 point sweet spot. That's the goal. It's really simple, really effective, and it's a great way to just quickly assess your outfits every day. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe so we can hang out some more. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.